Rebecca. Have you ever wondered why your muscles stop growing even though you've been hitting the gym regularly? The secret is something called progressive overloading today. I'll explain it using simple, everyday items you see around your house. Let's get started. Progressive overload is the principle of gradually increasing stress on your muscles so they adapt, grow stronger, and build endurance. Think of it like teaching your brain or body a new skill it wants to improve. Unless you keep challenging it a little more every time, imagine you're carrying a backpack. On day one, you put in just one book. Easy, right? But if you only ever carry that one book, your muscles will adapt and stop getting stronger. Now, let's say you add one more book each week. Suddenly, the weight increases. Your muscles have to work harder, and you get stronger over time. That's progressive overload in action. Take a water bottle. Lifting a half-liter bottle may feel effortless. But if you upgrade to a 1-liter bottle, or keep refilling and doing more reps, your muscles adjust to the new challenge. Small increases in weight or volume equal consistent growth. Stairs instead of taking the elevator. At first, 3 floors might feel exhausting. But if you keep doing it daily, soon 3 floors become easy. To keep improving, you push yourself to climb 5 or 6 floors. The principle stays the same. You progressively overload your body to get stronger and fitter. Without progressive overload, your muscles hit a plateau. You'll maintain, but you won't improve. By adding a little more weight, more reps, or more intensity, you keep challenging your body and it rewards you with growth. You don't need fancy gym equipment to use progressive overload. Add more books to your backpack, use a heavier water jug, or do more push-ups each week. The key is small, consistent increases, not sudden jumps that risk injury. So, progressive overload is really just about one simple idea. Challenge your muscles a little more each time. Whether it's books, bottles, or stairs, everyday items can help you apply this principle anywhere. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your strength grow.